Hey Gov Law students, welcome to the ScoopIt tutorial to set up your current events tracker. The first thing you need to do is to go to www.scoop.it. Once at the website, you can take the guided tour if you choose. You can look at Discover to see what it's all about. But basically, it's a web page where you can dump all sorts of news stories, videos, anything you want from the web in a really easy format, and other people can follow and comment on your scoops. So we're going to click Sign Up for Free. Please do not link it to your Facebook, Twitter, or LinkedIn account. If you choose to have a separate account, that's fine. But for the purposes of Gov Law, click on I don't have a Facebook, a Twitter, or a LinkedIn account. You are going to sign up using your full name. Bryn Stelner has so nicely allowed me to use her name as an example. And so everyone is easy to find. And you also are required to use your school-issued email. So your name and the letters of your, or numbers, excuse me, of your student ID. You can create your password to be whatever you'd like it to be. Make sure it's something that you're going to remember. And you can upload a photo of yourself if you so choose. It's not a requirement, but please make sure it's school appropriate. And click Sign Up. Okay, and it will send an email, a confirmation email, in which you'll need to follow a few steps. So we'll head over and do that. Once you log into your school email account, you should see an email from scoop.it that says confirm your email to validate your account. So you simply click on that, and it will introduce itself to you, and then you just simply need to click on the link, and it will take you into your ScoopIt, and it will ask you to create a topic. So in choosing the title for your first topic, you need to think carefully about this. For instance, the directions page tells you to name it something similar to Gov Law, and for Bryn, we'll name it Gov Law Current Events. You can name it whatever you'd like. Projects and your topics can overlap. Enter a few keywords. So Bryn will be interested in stories about the United States President, about Congress, about the Senate, about the House, and perhaps about the Cabinet. So enter in whatever you'd like, whatever you think you're going to be interested in, but they should somehow reference the government. You could, for example, put First Amendment in there, Second Amendment, anything in reference to government that you're interested in. Simply click Next. Okay. It has created the Gov Law Current Events topic, and it will suggest some content for you. So Bryn doesn't have anything yet on her scoop. But for example, perhaps she's interested in looking at a story that Hillary Clinton had to testify in reference to the Libya Benghazi attacks. So she can click ScoopIt, and it puts it on her page. So she will post on the page that she wants, and she needs to read about the story, of course, and she needs to add some comments, which you're required to do. Once she adds some comments, perhaps she thinks it's very interesting, then she will click Publish, and there she will go from there to create any scoop on a web page by adding a bookmarklet. That's the little page up in your toolbar. You can re-scoop from other users, so for other Gov Law students or other users that you find on the ScoopIt page, or you can create your own scoop simply by adding a link, the URL. So a few things in reference to Bryn's dashboard. Bryn can click on her dashboard and take a look at the other, so they're encouraging her to look at some certain topics, maybe some other things she's interested in. But you will definitely want to go to a search button. From your profile, you can see all sorts of different things by clicking on your own name. You can look at your profile, change your settings, go to your dashboard. You can look at apps and extras. For example, if you have an iPhone or if you have an Android, you can download for free the ScoopIt app, and you can do all of this on your phone, so you don't even need to log in. You can create a widget, a bookmarklet, etc., etc., all sorts of different options for you. You're going to want to find and search for the other users in your group. So for example, Bryn might want to search for Ms. Hassinger. So she types my name up in the search log. It doesn't come up with any scoops or topics, but when you click on users, you see Ms. Hassinger's page, and Bryn can click on this. And it will show the topics that I have. I have one topic, government and law. You should click follow on all of your group members' user pages. So now Bryn is following my ScoopIt. So whenever I create a new ScoopIt, me as Ms. Hassinger, it will show up in Bryn's dashboard. Scooped by Ms. Hassinger, the latest topics that come up. So you don't even necessarily need to click on other pages. For example, Ms. Bolton has a page 2. You simply need to add people, follow people's scoops, and it will show up in your own dashboard. It will also give you suggested topics. It will also give you community, shows all of the users in your dashboard. Now to create a new scoop, all you need to do is go to a website, for example, if you are going to look at The Daily Show, which is an option, or the Colbert Report, or any other news media, and you want to upload a video, you simply click on the video, and if you've installed the bookmarklet, there will be a little tab for you. Otherwise, all you need to do is simply copy and paste, copy the URL, and you go to New Scoop, create your own new scoop, enter the link below, and it will post for you. You are required again to make your own comment on any post that you make, and other people will post for you as well.